Alright guys, on this episode of Cool Guys Stuff, the plan is to have a pile of topsoil delivered so that we can level and seed the backyard. We might finally get grass. Truck number 2, here it is. Ethan's hanging out. Yeah. So cool. Man, that is a lot of dirt. And we got another truck coming. Number 3 has just arrived. Lots of dirt. Mini tractor has arrived.
I got wasted off a dry land. Somebody tell me what
Okay, so the backyard's all tilled up, looking really level. That's our fresh soil right there. It's too big a job for that little tractor, so we're gonna end up with a skid steer to scoop all that up and toss it all in the back. In the meantime though, our neighbor's lawn here got a little messed up when we did the waterproofing on the house, because all the dirt ended up over here. So we tilled this area, and we're just using a wheelbarrow, and we're putting some topsoil, and we're gonna give these guys some new grass, because this was all our doing, it was all our fault. Totally cool neighbors, they were totally fine with everything, but we owe it to them. So we're gonna do some grass here, and then we're gonna worry about getting a bobcat to take care of the rest in the back. Well, the hose spigot there has started leaking pretty bad, so on a future episode, we're going to be replacing that. Make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss it. So guys, that's about all we can get done for the day. It's getting late, and it's supposed to rain later and tomorrow, so we're going to put some tarps on our mounds of dirt to keep everything as dry as we can and to not let it wash away. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up, so we'll see you guys next time on Cool Guy Stuff with me, Mike, the Cool Guy.